Is your WordPress site still dragging its feet when it loads? You've optimized your images, installed 5 different plugins, and it's still not hitting that magical PageSpeed score? Hey, I've been there, but I found something that actually works without all the tech headaches. Let's be real, speed matters. If your website takes more than a couple seconds to load, people bounce. And Google notices too. The problem? Speed optimization is a total pain. You've got caching plugins, image compressors, CSS minifiers, and half the time they break your site or slow it down even more. Not to mention keeping up with Google's core web vitals. That's a full-time job on its own. That's where BerqWP comes in. It's an all-in-one WordPress plugin that automatically speeds up your site and helps you pass core web vitals with 0 tech skills needed. Just install it, turn it on, and let it work its magic. Seriously, no settings to mess with. No need to patch together 5 different tools. Here's what I love about it. One-click setup, no tech skills required, boosts your mobile and desktop scores to 90 plus out of the box. Image optimization. Converts images to WebP and lazy loads them so your pages load fast. Cache warmup. Prepares your pages in advance so even first-time visitors get lightning-fast load times. Critical CSS and JS delay. It loads what matters first, then the rest in the background. No more slow rendering or layout shifts. Global CDN delivers your static content via 300 plus global locations. Your site feels snappy anywhere in the world. And the best part, it doesn't break your site. It just works. Right now, you can grab lifetime access to BerqWP over on AppSumo for a one-time payment. No monthly fees, no subscriptions. Starting at just $39, you're getting premium level speed optimization that normally costs hundreds per year when you stack plugins and CDN services. Honestly, for what it does, it's an absolute no-brainer. I've used WP Rocket, I've tried NitroPack, and yeah, they're good, but BerqWP gave me faster results with less setup. My page speed score jumped from the low 60s to over 90 after activating it. I didn't touch a single line of code, and my site? Still perfectly intact. If you want fast, reliable performance without the tech hassle, I highly recommend checking it out. If you want to try BerqWP for yourself, I've dropped the AppSumo link in the description below. It's backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's 0 risk. Give it a shot. Your site and your visitors will thank you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next review.